Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make Steam download faster. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so obviously we need to go ahead and open up your Steam application on your PC or laptop. Then from here we need to click onto Steam, top left hand corner of the page here, and then you got a settings tab, click into that. And now you're inside your Steam settings. This is where we can make Steam faster, or Steam download faster rather. Then from here on the tabs, we want to go ahead and click on the downloads, and where your download region is, go ahead and click onto it and make sure you pick the closest location from you. So I'm in Adelaide, so I'm going to choose Adelaide, and then it will say restart required. This change requires a restart to take effect. So I'm going to go ahead and click on restart now. And yeah, so I've restarted Steam. So yeah, you got to make sure you choose the location closest to where you are, because if it's set somewhere else, you're going to see a significant decrease in your download speeds inside Steam. And then from here, under that, it will say limit download speed. If it's toggled on, we need to toggle that off. And then if we keep scrolling down the page, there's an option here to throttle downloads while streaming. So this basically is, if enabled, Steam will limit download speed to maintain a high quality Steam remote play experience. So I suggest turning that off. Some other reasons why you might be experiencing slower download speeds inside Steam, because you might have background applications running. So go ahead and pause or stop the downloads on other devices. Close apps like Chrome, Discord, or torrent software that consume bandwidth. So you can check out your task manager by clicking search and then type in task manager here, and then you can see what's running in the background. Yeah, so if you got any programs or apps taking up of your internet speed, just go ahead and disable them or end task. If you got any Windows updates running in the background, also go ahead and pause that or disable it. You can clear your download cache, which will help as well. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. So go ahead and confirm that. And yeah, the last thing what we can do is try downloading during off-peak hours of where you live. So try downloading in the morning or late at night when few people are online, reducing network congestion.